Everybody, how are you? I am Knowledge and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is question of 3 of 10 which situations best illustrates the effects of inflation. 0 option A. A factory lawyer says it implies the wage to $8 per horse. 0 B. The cost of rice at a market rises by 20% over 3 years. 0 A. C option A. Restaurant's owner sells her businesses for the $200,000 of 0 option D. An entrepreneur receives a $10,000 loan from a bank's SNSMIT. The correct answer of the question is the situation that the best illustrates the effect of the inflation is option B. The cost of rice at a market rises by 20% over 3 years. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.